This is going to be a standard installation on a Rule 2000 or 1500 gallon per hour series pump. You buy a number 48 hose clamp, put it through our supplied bracket, and we supply the clamp that goes onto our float switch. First thing you do is you take your bilge pump switch, install it, bring it up a little bit off the bottom, lock it down, and you have a nice physical rigid mount. Take your bilge pump wire and your alarm wire. I like to wrap the alarm wire. On the Senior you'll have an alarm wire and a pump control wire package of 5 wires. Twist the wires around each other. Take the bilge pump wire, wrap it around each other. So in your bilge, that's what you see. So your pump and float switch is now out of the way. You take either black and either brown wire. There's 2 here and 2 here. You fold them back down. Put the black wire into the black connector. Take a good quality crimper, crimp the pump wire. Take the second wire, the brown wire, install it into one of the brown wires supplied, crimp that. That finishes your pump installation. If you buy the Senior with the high water alarm, you'll get an alarm package with this wire and the set of butt splices. You add a piece of wire long enough to reach down into your bilge. You take the 2 wires coming off the Senior, and that concludes the installation of the high water alarm system. We'll in a moment put 2 batteries in this alarm system and it will be operational. The next thing you do, you've taken your bilge pump, connected it to a black and a brown wire. You now take your wires that come from your switch. That's your auto manual switch that's up on your dash. There'll be 3 conductors coming down. A black preferably for negative, green for manual, the white you make positive for automatic. Those 3 wires go down into your bilge. Simply hook the black wire up to the black wire. Hook the white wire that you put a little red tape on it, that's your hot wire. And that goes to the red wire. And the remaining wire, the green wire, will hook to the manual wire, the brown wire. So now in your bilge, that's the only connections. There's no terminal block, nothing to go bad. Now take your heat gun and you shrink the wires down, shrink the heat shrink butt connectors down. There's an adhesive glue on the inside that physically glues to the wire. Don't put any silicones or any other materials inside that connection. The glue is all you need. And then we'll do the 3 wires here. And you do these 2 wires for the alarm system. And now I'll show you, if you don't have a heat gun and you have to use a lighter, you can use a Bic butane lighter. The Bic works the best. You don't put it into the white or yellow part of the flame. You put it down here into the hydrogen part of the flame, and the blue part surrounds it, absorbs oxygen, and your butt connector doesn't burn. And you can shrink it down and the glue comes out. You just put it in the blue part. If you put it in here, it turns it black. If you put it into the blue part of the flame, it does a beautiful job. Just make sure in a gasoline boat you don't have any fumes.